So, since you failed last time for some points, yeah, like the homework also, and then the lesson plan. So I will evaluate again. I will ask again. So can you please explain the difference between have and haven't?
Have and haven't. Have is if you already done something. If you already do something, and then you can
Have and haven't. What is the difference?
have mempunyai and haven't tidak mempunyai. Seperti itu bisa.
Are you sure only have and haven't?
Only have and haven't.
If mempunyai.
If have it's more like you already have something like you have some food and haven't. If you don't have something like you don't have any fish, you don't have any apple like this.
Make the sentence, please.
I have got any fish.
That's right. Why didn't you say just now? Why didn't you say just now? After have will be got. So it cannot be used if you want to say that it's about possession or owning. Yeah, same like previous time also when I explained you. So have or haven't must be plus past participle or verb 3. So like you said, right? Have or haven't must be plus got. But just now when I asked you what is the difference between have and haven't, and then you just explained have is for something that we have means. Same like that, right? But after have must be plus past participle, because when you explained just now that was different with your sentence. In your sentence you add got, right?
Yes.
I have got. So actually must be plus got.
Harusnya ditambahin enggak? Kalau misalnya nyatanya suatu hal yang dimiliki gitu ya.
Because your topic is about have and haven't, right? Yeah. In other condition, have and haven't also has another meaning. Yeah. For example, I have a book. For example, it means that you own a book, right? But when you don't have a book, you don't say I haven't a book, but you will say I don't have a book. You cannot say I haven't a book. That's wrong. Yeah, okay. So you will say I have a book. If you don't have it, you will say I don't have a book. Not I haven't a book. That's different. It's wrong. So when you want to say about both of these conditions must be same, like possession, like owning, like you have explained to the students, have and haven't must be plus got, so that it can be true. Like that.
Berarti kalau contoh kalimat example sentence kayak saya bilang tadi berarti salah.
That's correct. Because you add got.
Yes. I have got any fish. Correct. I haven't got any fish.
But when you say I haven't fish, that's wrong.
Okay.
So have and haven't must be plus verb 3 or past participle, so that it can be true. Okay. But in one condition also, have not only for possession and for how to say that owning, but it can be used for auxiliary verb in the tenses. Yeah, auxiliary verb. Yeah. So that's different. Yeah. Okay. But because your topic about have and haven't, so must be plus vegetables. Okay, so can you please explain what about vegetables?
Vegetables is
No, it is vegetable.
vegetables.
Yeah, without F.
Vegetable.
Vegetable is or vegetables are like that.
Oh, yeah, as it is. Vegetable is
A vegetable is
part of food, part of plant to produce food.
okay. So, for example, can you please give an example, Miss?
An example is, if you, for example, memberi contohnya gimana Miss? Maksudnya kayak mengkonsumsi sayuran gitu Miss?
Based on the example that you have made, what is that? Vegetable, you say just now vegetable is a part of a plant that produces food. So what is the example?
For example, the vegetables are like potato and then carrots and then onions.
No. I don't think that's the answer. Not that I mean. Like, you see, right, vegetables like a part of a plant that produce food, for example, like what? Okay, there's the example of vegetables, right? But you see, a part of a plant that produce food, part of a plant, because plant has many parts. So can you please explain?
Maybe I can explain like vegetables. If you eat vegetables, you can stay healthy like this.
The plant has many parts.
Parts of what?
The plant has many parts.
Yes.
Can you please explain the parts?
Oh, the parts of plants like vegetables, and then fruits. Vegetables and fruits, and then bagian-bagian itu dari tumbuhan maksudnya Miss. Vegetables, and then fruit, and then soil. That means
You know, a plant has many parts. Do you know? Do you get what it is? Yes. Leaves, stem, roots. What else? I mean, can you please explain the parts of the plants, like roots for what, like the leaf for what, like that? Can you please explain?
roots itu akar ya Miss? Stem batang.
In English.
And some parts of vegetables, parts of plants, there are leaves, and then stem, and then roots.
How many parts? We start from roots. After roots, what else?
Stem,
Stem, and then
leaf,
and then
vegetable, fruits.
roots. Only four. The flower. The
Flower first, and then fruit.
Okay, we start from roots. What is the function of the roots?
Roots to to hold us, to hold the soil so the plant can be grown.
Pardon?
And then
Pardon? What did you say?
the function of
The root?
root to hold the soil to make a plant grows.
Make a plant grows.
Maksudnya kayak
You must add something also. The function of the roots not only that, but it can absorb water and nutrients from the soil, and then it will deliver them to the plant, so that the plant can grow. So the roots can also to absorb water and nutrients. Yeah.
To menyerap ya, apa sih Inggrisnya? Menyerap. To absorb water and nutrients. Nutrients.
Yeah, nutrients. Yeah.
From the soil.
From the soil, and then they will be delivered to the plant. They means the soil. They means the water and the nutrients. Yeah. Okay. What is stem? The function of stem. You can learn, yeah. Please learn again. Because the topic is plants part. Plants part. It means that it will be consist of roots, stem, flowers, what else? Leaves, and then fruits. Fine. So please read about plant business so that you can explain. Later, for example, the student asks, Miss, how many parts of the plant? For example, right? Okay. You teach for computer as well. Yeah. Computer. You teach it. Okay. Can you please explain? I asked for more. What is the key that used to delay the letter type to the left of the cursor?
Backspace. Backspace keys.
Backspace key. What is caps lock key used for? Caps lock. What is caps lock key used for?
To make capital letters.
How many keys do most keyboards have?
How many keys? 104.
What cannot non-living things do?
What is?
What cannot non-living things do?
Living things.
Non-living things. What cannot it do?
Non-living
Things.
benda mati. Ini benda mati.
Science.
Itu masih computer. What's the meaning of?
What cannot non-living things do?
What cannot non-living things do? Kenapa benda mati?
What cannot non-living things do? What? What cannot non-living things do?
Kenapa benda mati?
What non-living things do?
Non-living things itu kan benda mati kan, Miss?
What cannot it do?
Kenapa nggak bisa?
What cannot non-living things do? Apa yang tidak bisa dilakukan benda mati? But you made the question like this. So why don't you know?
Okay, Miss. Because they cannot move by themselves.
Oh, because they cannot move themselves. Apa yang tidak bisa dilakukan? What cannot non-living things do?
Because they cannot move by themselves.
No, you don't need to say because. The question is what cannot non-living things do? So the answer is non-living things cannot move themselves. What is a pull or push on an object called? What is a push or pull on an object called?
An object called? What's the meaning of an object called?
What is a push? Who made the question, please?
I'm not good at calculating science.
Even though you need to read the miss. So you fail again.
Miss?
So do you like to fail again?
No, Miss, but since I don't know
What is a push or pull on an object called? Disebut apa itu push dan pull itu?
push.
Pada sebuah benda. Apa itu disebut?
Kalau pushing is to make an object.
No. What is a push or pull on an object called?
Maksudnya
A push or pull on an object. What is called? What is it called? Apa itu disebut? Called. Disebut called.
Oh. Maksudnya disebut apa gitu? Pengertian ya kan, Miss? The meaning kan, Miss? Berarti saya menjelaskan tentang pengertian dari push and pull itu kan, Miss?
What is that called? Just one word. The answer. Force. Why is it so difficult for you to answer? Itu disebut apa sih? Push, pull. Itu apa disebut? What is that?
Force. Just Miss.
What is that? To make a toy car move, you can?
Can push and pull.
Hewan yang hidup dan di darat dan di air disebut apa? Ipas.
Disebut hewan amfibi.
Badak itu termasuk hewan apa? Badak.
Maksudnya termasuk jenis hewan.
Iya, jenis hewan apa?
Herbivora.
Badak. Are you sure?
Badak.
Jenis hewan apa itu?
Jenis berarti dari segi makanannya, Miss. Herbivora. Omnivora.
I don't know, I asked you.
Herbivora, Miss.
Just assume as your student. Miss, badak include to herbivora makan tumbuhan. Badak makan tumbuhan deh ya, herbivora deh ya. Tapi jawabanku di sini hewan liar. Mana yang benar?
Soalnya pertanyaannya di situ kan jenis. Kalau di buku belajar jenis makanan berdasarkan makanannya, Miss.
Berdasarkan makanan pun, Miss jawab herbivora. Miss yakin badak itu herbivora? Sedangkan jawaban di sini adalah dia hewan liar. Apakah herbivora termasuk hewan liar? Apakah herbivora hewan liar?
Termasuk, Miss.
Termasuk.
Karena dia maksudnya kan hewan liar itu kan maksudnya hewan yang bisa makan tumbuhan, bisa makan hewan.
Yakin badak pemakan tumbuhan? Hewan herbivora. Tapi dia hewan liar gitu.
Hewan yang hidup bebas seperti itu.
Oh, berarti tidak semua hewan liar itu herbivora gitu ya? Maksudnya karnivora gitu ya? Berarti hewan liar itu ada juga pemakan tumbuhan gitu ya? Oh, berarti badak itu herbivora ya? Oke. Jadi badak itu memakan apa, Miss?
Hewan itu
Badak itu memakan
tumbuhan.
Iya, misalnya dia makan apa dia?
Dia seperti
hutan.
bisa
Daunnya.
daun
dimakan juga ya?
buah hutan.
Oh, oke deh. Berarti saya salah di sini ya. Berarti badak itu adalah pemakan.
Atau coba kita searching dulu.
Pemakan tumbuhan. Nanti nggak sempat waktunya. Nanti aja harus cari ya. Berarti jawabannya adalah badak itu adalah pemakan tumbuhan ya, herbivora ya. Oke. Peternakan itu adalah usaha apa, Miss? Peternakan itu adalah usaha apa?
Pertanyaan lengkapnya gimana, Miss?
Peternakan adalah usaha titik-titik dan pembiakan hewan.
Kalau ada jawabannya di situ ada kayak apa, Miss?
Ya, kamu kenal Miss kasih tahu. Nanti
Saya kan
apa Miss jawab? Coba menurut Miss
saya
tadi
itu kan pasti yang box itu kan, Miss.
mengisi bagian yang kosong.
Ya dari ada jawabannya di situ kan, Miss. Ada jawabannya di situ kan, Miss.
Ada, tapi cuma titik-tiga. Coba lah, seingat Miss lah. Peternakan ini adalah usaha apa, Miss? Usaha titik-titik dan pembiakan hewan. Berarti sinonim dari pembiakan ya kan? Apa itu, Miss? Peternakan adalah usaha
Merawat.
boleh lah, tapi jawabannya pemeliharaan. Okay, English. So you teach about kinds of fruits and vegetables to the students for English.
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet. Next week.
Maybe, Miss. Now I teach about fruit come from, and then some foods come from, like stick comes from animal.
You fruits come from like that.
Yes.
But you need to explain about fruits as well, right? You need to explain about vegetables, right? Yeah, I like that. So why did you say not yet, Miss? Because yeah, I see that your topic here about vegetables, about fruits, vegetables, about fruits, vegetables. Say again,
Vegetables. Vegetables.
No, vegetables. Did you explain
Yes.
what is fruit, what is vegetable, and then what is the difference? Did you explain?
Yes.
So how will you explain to them the differentiation between vegetables and fruits?
Mungkin saya menjelaskan gini, Miss. Pertama saya tanyakan, Miss.
In English.
Okay, yes, vegetables. Do you know vegetables? Yes, Miss, I know. Sayuran, mereka bilang. Terus saya bilang, okay, if you eat vegetables is part of plants, and then you can produce vegetables to be some food and make you healthy. If you eat every day, you can healthy.
You can be healthy.
You can be healthy. But memang saya nggak menjelaskan yang kayak Miss bilang itu, Miss, yang lembut, bantal seperti itu, Miss.
Okay. About this, you need to explore more, Miss, so that you know how to explain the differentiation between fruits and vegetables, and then also you can add some additional explanation about parts of the plant, how many, what are they, what is the function. You can explain to make it interesting to